We've got the wet wall laid out, our square outside corner. And so now we're going to give it a measure. So we're going to do our widths first, 2 inches past the tub, which made it 33 at the bottom. We adjusted plumb against the back wall, and it was a 1/4 inch difference. So this is 33 1/4. And then our height, I didn't cut far enough, did I? And then our height is 58 5/16. We put our straight edge at 33, our 33 1/4, and we're going to mark that. And it was straight because we pushed our wall straight. So this is the confusing part. We had our 3/4 of an inch outage. So we measured our height from our tub to our back panel. And then we said we had 3/4 of an inch difference. So we're going to rotate this guy 3/4 of an inch. Sorry about that, I was at 16th off. And this will mark our bottom. But as we showed on our layout here, we have some weaves and bobs in that. We have some weaves and bobs. So our paperwork says we came straight to 6 inches. It says at 20 and 22, we were down about 1/4 of an inch. And I can fake that after all these years of doing this. And then at 30, it was straight again. So we want that to match the tub. We're going to give it just line those guys back up. It won't be perfect, but it'll be darn close. So we have our measurements here. We've got 4 or 14 and a half. And then it was up 4 and 13/16. And that's our small hole for the spout. And then the mixer valve was 14 3/4 over and 13 and a half high. Wow, I was way off on that one, wasn't I? And then 14 3/4. All right, so I always draw a little hole and a big hole, that way I don't get confused. Grit hole saw that we're going to do first on the mixer valve. Make sure you're supported so you just don't slam yourself right through there and break your panel and ruin your day. All right, here we go. There we go.